Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a new series of pattern therapy. If you like this video, subscribe for regular tutorials. These pattern therapy videos are very useful if you are going through an art block or if you are not feeling creative, you're feeling anxious. It's really helpful. I'm using Factor Notes Grid Dot Journal and Luxor Fine Writer. For this black line or outline, I am using Brustro technical pens. So I have started by making a straight line by joining the dots, but I have made sure that they are in a group of 4. You will notice that I am lifting my pen after every 4 dots as a marking so that I would remember here is my 4th dot. So you have to join 4 dots as one. When you are done with this on both sides, just simply join the dots and draw a line on the 2 opposite sides. It's not important that your line has to be really straight. Do not use a scale. Draw freehand. Whenever you feel tired or you are not in the mood of creating something new but you want to draw, or you are feeling anxious, anxiety, overthinking, in such situations, pattern therapy is highly recommended. As you can see, I have drawn my box. Now I'll join the dots at 4th one and create small squares. So we will be drawing horizontal and vertical lines after every 4th dot. Repeating the same vertically. For every step, I will be showing you one at a normal speed and rest of that same step will be sped up so that it won't waste your time. Now we will join these boxes diagonally. On the left side from top to bottom. And just like this, imagine drawing a hill. And that's how diagonally we will join all these squares. We will repeat this step for the entire page. Next, I am using purple shade of Luxor Fine Writer. You can draw this entire pattern in one shade as well, but here I am choosing 2 different colors. Since we have 3 dots inside our squares, use those as your guidelines and try to make these lines uniform. Let's see that once more. On upper half we are drawing horizontal lines and lower half we are drawing vertical lines. will repeat this step for the entire sheet. We are leaving alternate boxes so that we can incorporate the next half of the pattern in another shade. As you can see, we have completed half of our pattern. Next, I am using pink shade. You can use same color for the entire pattern as well. I'm just using two colors for a pop of shades. And here we are drawing the mirror image of the half pattern that we have already drawn using purple. Let's see that once more. And we will repeat this step for the entire sheet. pattern therapy is also very useful for improving wrist movements and practicing basic lines, curves, and uniformity. As you can see, here we are practicing lines and uniformity. So, this exercise is going to help you in every other art form that you will make. Once in a while, it is highly recommended to go back to basics and practice some basic lines, curves, and pattern therapy is one of the best ways to do so. Since you already know how the entire outcome is going to be, you're not worried about the result. That's why it's highly relaxing. There is no pressure of creativity, creating something new, or how the entire art piece will come out. It's just maintaining the balance, maintaining straight line and uniformity.